Welcome to DODIA Machine Tools. This is our 25mm capacity PLC-based auto-feed type drilling machine. It is a V-belt back gear-driven machine that is equipped with stepper motor, auto-feed gearbox, and PLC panel board. Now we are going to drill 16mm into 25mm thick MS bar. There are features in panel board such as cycle time, repeat delay, actual production number, single or continuous cycles. We have created a program for our job that spindle travels for 52mm rapidly at the edge of the job face, then goes up to 85mm at certain drilling feed rate and reverses rapidly to complete a cycle. Now it should drill as it programmed for. It seems the operation is completed. As you can see, it took 36 seconds to complete a cycle. And if you want that to happen continuously, there is an option. Well, you shall not forget to set delay period. Let's look at the pace we drilled in. For such NC drilling machine, check out our wide-ranging products of www.dodiamachinetools.com or contact on above given number. Thank you for watching.